Have you ever noticed how some people look financially successful while quietly living under constant financial pressure? You see it everywhere. A brand new SUV parked outside a tiny apartment. Luxury vacations carefully posted on Instagram. The newest iPhone bought through monthly installments. Designer clothes, expensive dinners, subscription services nobody even fully uses anymore. And yet, behind the scenes, many of those same people feel stressed about money almost every single month. Not because they're irresponsible, not because they're lazy, and not even because they earn too little. The real issue is something deeper. Modern middle-class life quietly trains people to confuse consumption with progress. And nowhere is that more visible than with cars, credit cards, and lifestyle debt. Let's take a simple example. Imagine someone living in the United States or Europe. Maybe they're 28 years old. They work a decent office job and make around $75,000 a year before taxes. On paper, that sounds comfortable. But after taxes, healthcare, insurance, retirement deductions, and normal living expenses, the reality starts looking very different. Rent or mortgage, around $1,800 per month. Car payment, another $620. Insurance and fuel, about $300 more. Student loans, $400 every month. Then come the subscriptions, groceries, dining out, internet bills, phone bills, utilities. Suddenly, another $1,500 disappears. And before they realize it, someone earning what used to be considered a good salary is checking their bank account before buying groceries near the end of the month. And the uncomfortable part is, this is becoming increasingly normal.